Morning all. So my first job is to do the engine mount, the offside engine mount on a V50 Volvo 1.6 diesel. So wish me luck. Right, so this is what I'm working on today. What I've got to do is the offside engine mount has got too much play in it. You can just see it there. I've got the header tank to move so I can get to it, but first of all I've got to get the tray off underneath. So time to jack the car up. See you in a bit. Okay, as you can see, she's now jacked up on axle stands, ready to take off the tray underneath. Here's the offending article. What we've got is 3 at the front. There's the other one. One on the side there, and there should be 2 at the back there. And you can see the other one. So bear with me and I'll have this off in 2 minutes. Oh, we're not far off. It was 5T30 torque bits, but for some reason someone's put on, let me have a look, see if we can find it. Where is it? Tie wrap. So I'll snip that off. Oops. And there she blows. She's off. Right, up top now for the offending article. Well, I've got 2 of them to do. I've got the one on the gearbox mount side to do, and that's that one. But today I'm doing this one. That beauty. So before we can remove the offside engine mount, we have to chock the engine up, take the weight, which I've done with a piece of wood. So we can now remove the engine mount. Right, so I've moved the header tank out of the way. We've got long extension bar, as you can see, with I think it's a 15. Yeah, 15 mil for the ones with the bracket there. So I'm going to undo those first. They're a bit tight, so I'm using a breaker bar just to loosen them off. That's the 2 15 mils. I'm done. These need to be torqued back up. I need to find out torque settings for these, so I'll let you know later on in the video what they are, and I'll put them in description. There's one on that side, one on that side. Right, so we've got these 2 here now. I think they're about, I'm thinking it's probably a 19, a 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 I think. Right, let's have a look. Won't be a minute. Okay, well, that was a bit of a bugger. These here are 18 mil. And not many socket sets have got an 18 mil. Luckily I had one in my tray which I didn't know about, which just took me half hour to find. So yeah, 18 mil, and you need breaker bar to undo them. Right, that should be the offending article out, which it is. Don't know if you can see that. It's a lot of movement in it. I'm trying to put the new one back in. It is a bit tight. Over there. Make sure you get it all lined up. Far off there. That one came out like that. It's a bit odd. Hope it goes back in right. Don't seem to want to at the moment. It's going in. Well, I got that one in eventually. A little bit fiddly, but it's in. I don't think it's supposed to come out with the stud as well, but I think I might have to take that one back out. We're nearly there. Alright, just tighten the last two up to the two at the bottom. One there, and this one here. It's as simple as that. It's actually quite an easy job. Don't forget guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and like, and see you in the next one, which will be the gearbox mount. Thanks for watching.